Earlier in this lab, we advertised the networks that was coming from router 6 to router 4 via OSPF into BGP. As a result, all the BGP neighbors were learning it, like router 7 and router 8, if you see, they have learned the route show IP route 6.6. Sorry. I don't know why always this funny things happen. 6.6.4.1. 4.1. Okay, 6.6.0.0. Then we need to wait for some time. I just turned on this routers. We need to wait for the convergence. Show IP BGP summary. I do have neighbor but no routes. Okay, now the routers come. Now let me check the routing table. You see, we have learned the route from BGP 45. That's the next hop from where the route is given to us. The local tag, the local autonomous system is 88. From 45, we have learned the route. We don't have any MPLS tunnels, so no MPLS label. And there is no too many autonomous system. It is just only one first autonomous system, only the very next autonomous system from where this network originated. The advertised route, sorry, the router that advertises this is the router 5. You see, this one, 85, 85, 85, 5. All right, so the 20 is the eBGP's administrative distance. There is no MED, multi-exit discriminator set. It's eBGP. That's all here. Now, when I ping this address 6.6.4.1 with the source of my loopback, I must have reachability. I'm trying to reach from this loopback to that loopback 888822. If I'm not able to, then I need to troubleshoot. I want to see whether R8 is advertising its own network. Show IP BGP. Yes, R8 is advertising its own network here, the summarized one, because we have an aggregate command. This is suspended. All right, I'm unable to ping, though I'm advertising, I'm unable to ping. The problem is not in this side, the problem may be on the next autonomous system. So I'll go to router 5. Show IP route 6.6.0.0. This says I'm learning it from my IBGP C200 from this 4 router, and the local tag value is 45. Now let me go to router 4 and check. Router 4. Sorry, I have to check on router 5, not 6.6. I want to check 8.8. Okay, this is also there in the routing table. It says I'm learning it from router 8, whose tag value means autonomous system is 88, 1 hop away. Looking good. Now let's go to router 4 and see whether 4 learns this. Even 4 learns it. Then why I'm not able to ping? Because in router 6 we are not running BGP. Router 6 is not knowing about that 8.8 network. That's what I want to check. I think it is not there. See, there is no default route. For some reason it got removed. Show IP route again. You see there is no default route. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a default route. G3/. Now if you go back to router 8, you will be able to ping. So it was only the return traffic. Like this, I would like to try pinging 77. Show IP route 7.7.4.4.0. Here you can see that 77 is learned from 2 hop away. See, it's 2 hop away. It's 2 autonomous system. 45 is the immediate hop. And the originator is 77. Learn from BGP 88. To get more information, show IP BGP 70. This will give you more information, like all the hops. These are the 2 hops. 45 is one hop, 77 is another hop. Alright, and it is an external one, and it is a summarized route. That's why automatic aggregation, it shows automatic aggregation. Origin is advertised, not redistributed. All this we see. Next. What I want to do is I want to check whether R3 and R2 and 1 knows about these subnets. I'll start from router 1. Show IP BGP summary. I don't have any BGP config. I don't think 2 and 3 will have BGP. Show IP BGP. Yeah. So we have not configured this portion of our routers. Before I do that, let me go and enable BGP on R4 and R5 to form eBGP with R1, 2, and 3. For that, I'll go to router 4 first. Router BGP 45. Neighbor 14, 14, 14, 1. Remote AS 11. That's all I want to say here. Next is unrouted 2. Router BGP is 45. Neighbor is 25, 25, 25, 2. Remote AS is 22. Yep. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. It is not router 2. I won't put this command on router 5. Going to router 5. That is where I want to configure. Neighbor is 25.25.25.2. Remote AS is 22. Another neighbor is 35.35.35.3. Remote AS is 33. router 2. Router 2 don't have any IP address. Let's start configuring IP address first. Interface F00 on top will have IP address. IP address 123.123.23.2. And interface G3/0 is going to have 25.2. That's it. Now, I don't have any loopback on this router. It's good practice to have a loopback interface so that you don't need to configure any router ID. Even if you don't configure loopback interface, it's going to pick one of the physical interface, but still, I recommend to have loopback interface so that you will know what will be the router ID of that router. Always loopback interface is preferred. So, interface loopback, so IP address. I'm not going to advertise this network anywhere in BGP or in OSPF or anywhere. Just for the router ID, BGP to pick this as a router ID, I'm doing this. Router BGP 22, neighbor is 25, 25, 25. Fine. Remote autonomous system is 45. I'm expecting a neighbor relationship between 5 and 2. We got it. Now I will be able to see those networks of router 6, router 7, and router 8. See the subnets of different autonomous system. And let's check the BGP table now. Show IP BGP. These are the networks. 88 is coming from router 8. 77 is coming from router 7. This is coming from 6 is coming from the immediate autonomous system. Immediate autonomous system. Next is, I'd like to check the same from router 1, but router 1 don't have any interface configured. I need to configure interface loopback 0, IP address, interface G3/0, .14.14.14.4, remote is, sorry, IP address 1. Yep. Remote is you're right. If it is my mathematics teacher in 10th standard, he would have said, I was just checking you whether you are sleeping or you are awake. They don't want to accept their mistakes. They want to call themselves as teachers. Interface of 0/0 no chat IP address 123.123.12 23.1. Right, I want to change this 123.123. That is how we configure on router 2. I would like to check once router 2. Show IP interface brief. Yeah, 123.123.23. Likewise on router 1, I have said 123.123.23.1. Now going to BGP, router BGP 11. Neighbor is 14. .4. Remote AS is 45. Likewise, I have another neighbor which is 123.123.2, 23.9. Yeah, remote AS is 99. You can also form neighbor with router 2 and 3 because they are in different autonomous system. As of now, not needed. For this scenario, it is not needed. So this is just like an internet in the middle. So we are not going to focus on that section. We have finished router 1, router 2, router 3 is what I need to do. Before that, I want to check BGP. Show IP BGP summary. I got the neighbor. Show IP route BGP. I got the routes. But I'll not be able to ping because I'm not having any subnet here advertised. So the return traffic won't come. There is only one-way communications. So let's not try pinging from here. Going to router 3 to repeat similar configuration. Interface loopback 0. Interface F00. 123.123.23. Interface G3/0. Done. So next is BGP router BGP 33. Neighbor is 35, 35, 35, 5. Remote AS is 45. So I'll be saying neighbor. Show IP BGP summary. Open confirm. Okay, done. It's very rare to see this open confirm message. Very rare. Usually they go very fast. Okay, we learned those three subnets coming from router 6, 7, and 8. Show IP route BGP 6, 7, and 8 routes are there. Again, from here also you cannot ping and test because we don't have any subnet advertised. Going to router 9. Router BGP 99. Neighbor 123.123.12. No, I think I need to assign IP addresses. Interface loopback 0 IP address is 99. Interface loopback 1 IP address is 1.1, loopback 2 is 2.1, loopback 3 is 3.1, loopback 4 is 4.1. And then interface G3/0 123.123.1, so 23.9, zero, router BGP 99. Neighbors are three neighbors 123.123.23.1, remote AS is 11, and 2, only 2, and 3, 33. There is some mismatch in autonomous system number. I can see that there is some issue with the autonomous system number appearing with wrong AS. Okay, let's check that. I'll go to router 3 to check. Show run section router BGP. Router BGP is not configured with neighbor. Neighbor is 123.123.23.9. Remote AS is 99. The neighbor should come up now. It is fine. Likewise, R2, I want to check. Show run section router when here I have not configured neighbor 123.123.23.9. Remote AS is 99. I'm expecting a neighbor. This is where something is wrong. 99, 23, 123, 123, 23. Okay. So the problem may be problem is on router 9 configuration only. Show run section router BGP. Okay, here I have given IP address wrong. No router BGP 99. I'm removing completely. Now I'll do fresh. Router BGP 99. Neighbor 123.123.23.9. Remote AS is 99. Am I doing wrong right now? 23.1. Remote AS is 11. And then 23.2. Oh, this is the mistake. 23.2, 22. then 23.3, 33. It's all now. We got neighbors on R9. We have to advertise some networks. So router BGP 99. The networks are 9.9.4.1. Mask is 255.255.255.0, I believe, because I see /24 on the top. But I would like to verify it before I continue to show run interface loopback to. Yeah, 32 mask. Here it is mistake. These are 32 mask. Alright, so I'm changing this into this. And I don't want to aggregate here. I would like to advertise all the fixes. This is what I'll be using to test multiple local preferences. Done. What next is I want to ping and see whether I'm able to ping router 6, router 8, and router 7. Show IP route BGP. Of course, I can ping now, ping 8.8.4.1 with the source of my loopback 2. Excellent. Likewise, I'd like to ping 7.7 and 6.6. So the reason why this took long is the control plane is not end-to-end. Between router 6 and router 4, we got OSPF only. The BGP control plane is stopped right here in router 4. It's not extended till router 6. So it took some time for the discovery, so there was one packet lost. That is okay. Now, the topology is ready.